Hey guys, Kuldeep this side. Let's move to the next part of this SQL series. Till part 3, I have shown you how you can get your hands-on questions on SQL using this HackerRank website. I have given you the website link in the description of part 3. Make sure go and check that video before checking this. So, yep, let's start. So, first question is done. Now, when we click on next challenge, we'll move to the another challenge. Now, let's see, let's try to recall what we have studied till now and let's try to solve this question. So, let's read the question. Question is query the name field for all American cities in the city table with population larger than 1,20,000. The country code for America is USA. So previously it is just the exact question. It just has changed the population and the country code is still same. It's just the different part is what to query. So I have shown you. You have to first write select, then the column name. If it is asking to select all the columns, then you will give the star. The shortcut for that was star. Now it is just asking you to select the name. So what you will do, you will select name. What if it has asked name and ID? You would have given name, comma, ID. But for now, it is just asking us to select the name. Now, what was the second thing to remember? It was from. So first one is select what column do you want, then from. So from table name. Table name, as you can see, it's given city. It is asking that city table, right? Now when we have to apply the filter, we use where clause, right? Where keyword. So where, let's try to filter out the population first. Now the population column name is population itself. If we say population is greater than 1,20,000 and we have to give one more condition. So what we will use? We will use and. Why we are using and? So there are two types in this where condition. Either you can use and or you can use or, right? So and we are using because it is asking us to select all the American cities, right? In the table with population larger than 1,20,000. It is not asking us to either select American city or population larger with 1,20,000. It is saying American cities with population larger, right? So the and will be used here, and here you can do this country code is equals to, it has said USA. Now let's try to run the code and check. Yep, it has passed the sample test cases. Now we can directly submit the code and we will wait. So for the last, like the last time, what has happened when we submitted the code, it asked us to move to the next challenge. And if it has passed all the test cases, then it will show us the congratulations and everything will be green. Let's wait for some time. Yeah, it is saying congratulations, you have earned 10 points. So a question, it is saying that you are earning 10 points and you are moving next level and you are now 60 points away from the first star of your SQL batch, right? So this is showing all the success message and everything. Now you can just directly click on next challenge. Let's try to move and let's try to see what the next challenge is. It is saying query all columns or attributes or fields. This is just equivalent to the fields given here for every row in the city table. It is just directly without any condition, nothing. It is just asking us to query all the columns. So to query all the columns, what was the shortcut? It was star. Now from table city. Now it is not saying any kind of condition, right? The population should be this much, or the name of the country should city should be this, or the country code should be this thing. Nothing, right? Let's just try to run the code. So always run the code before submitting, right? Because it will show you that okay, the sample test cases are passed. As soon as it says sample test cases are passed, you can just click on submit code. We have earned 10 more points, right? Look how easy this is. And it's just like the game you are playing, right? It is, you don't have to do anything. You don't have to set up any database. You don't have to uh, set up any IDs or nothing, right? You just, and there is one question, there is one place to write your code, and it will automatically check everything for you, right? This is like a game. Now let's move to next challenge and see what it is. Okay, now it's saying query all the columns for a city in city table with the ID 1661. Now you might have guessed the answer. First thing is select. It is saying query all the columns. So star will be used. Then from table name city. Then there is one condition. Now you can see there is one condition in the question. It is saying with the ID 1661. So what is the keyword for that? It's WHERE, where ID, and ID is numerical type, right? So no need to do this 1661, right? So this we would have done for the varchar or the text fields, right? So the ID is just number. We can just do without any quotes. Just let's try to run the code, and yep, it has passed, right? Now let's click on submit code. Okay, cool. We have earned 10 more points. Now we are only 40 points away from the first star of the SQL batch. Yes, guys, let's do this. Okay. Okay, we will solve the next challenge in the next part of the video. Thank you.